Welcome to another episode of Hardcat Feature Focus. In this exciting episode, we're going to be looking at the new HardcatWeb Geo Mapping functions. The Geo Mapping function allows Hardcat users to capture asset GPS coordinates and visualize this information on a visual map presentation level. The mapping visual data can be sourced from multiple providers. It can go as granular as floor plans for your facilities, as will be shown later in this demonstration. To access this great new feature, simply click onto the Asset Management list. Here we will see two new buttons, Show Geo Map and Show Geo Layer Map. Today we'll be focusing on the Show Geo Map function. To visualize the assets on a map, you can first complete a search to restrict the assets shown on the map if needed. If not, simply select the tick box, select all rows, or individually check the box next to each individual asset. Now with your selected group of assets, you can press the Show Geo Map button, which will take us to the map with the selected asset shown. With the map now presented, we are shown either individual asset pins or coloured hotspots and a number which represents the number of assets within the zone. One of the great features is the ability to toggle between different map presentation views. This can be completed by clicking on the layers icon on the top right hand corner of our map. In this example, we can change between satellite view and street map view. Let's set the view back to satellite, and let's zoom in now on the yellow hotspot with 16 assets. With this new zoomed in layout, we can see the 16 pins shown as either individual pins or as hotspots. As shown, we have 3 hotspots, each contains 3 assets. We can now also change our view again to either street view or satellite view. And let's change back to satellite view. We will now further zoom in on one of the 3 hotspots to see the 3 asset pins. We are now presented with the 3 asset pins that were presented as a hotspot on the previous zoom level. We are going to zoom in either further on the selected asset. This increased zoom level has presented us the floor plan of the building that asset resides in. Here we can now see exactly where within this building this asset resides. Now we are on a floor plan zoom level. The Layers menu can present the different level floor plans for the particular building you are in. This allows you to change the level and view assets on different levels of the building. The Assets Map view can also be shown on the Asset View or Edit page. This can be achieved simply by selecting from the pop-up menu for your selected asset, either View or Edit. HardcatWeb then presents you with the Asset Edit screen, and from here we can zoom into the map to see the asset at its lowest track level. In this instance, we can zoom all the way down to the building floor plan to see where it resides within that particular building. To edit an asset's GPS location, it's as simple as selecting the appropriate asset record and selecting Edit from the pop-up menu. HardcatWeb will then present you with the Asset Edit screen, and then you can zoom into the current location. Once you are ready to update the GPS coordinates, on the left-hand side, select Edit Layers, and then move the pin to your new location. And press the Save button when ready. Once you are happy with your changes, press the Return to List button to return to the main asset list. Thank you for watching this episode of Hardcat Feature Focus. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Hardcat Support, or alternatively, join us on the web at www.hardcat.com. Thanks for watching.